Hi everybody, hello everyone, good evening, have a good time everyone. Today I want to pick tubular lock THERARD made in France. He have 5 pins and 6 pin number 6 is interactive pin. We see him here. It's on a button. It's interactive pin. First, second, third contact, 4 and 5 and 5. Okay. Now every pin have 3 fall gates. Yes, it's fall gates. It's need to look how it's look. But it's fall gates if you enter in block. It's a very big problem to out from this moment. But we try to not to enter in this moment. So have 4 half ring of balance, here 2 and here 2. Now when you put every pin on the place, have every pin here through gates, so balance enter in the pins, so you can to move it. We have one element in the bottom of the lock. This point, this end of rotor, this point, something like point. It's push when you enter K on the lock. It's push on this element on the K, and this element move. So this point with all secret elements on one line. When it's on one line, it's push on interactive pin, and interactive pin go down, so you can to close or open lock. Okay. It's not very hard lock to pick, but it's not easy to pick. And what first problem? It's tensioner and tension. Very not comfortable. Very in real picking of this lock. I can to start maybe 5-10 start of picking, one after one, because not easy to start, not perfect correct start. Now we see it. I think it's a tool for quick opening. I never not use this tool. I know it's open another platform, quick open, very high and low quality of locks, but it's very nice for tensioner. It's very good. From all, it's good, because all ideas what I see in YouTube, it's good, but it's not finished idea. I think we keep nice rotor and first. It's first. It's not first. It's interactive pin, and now we can to start. Not first, five, number 5. Nice, and first, nice, 2, and here good, and here it's good. I need to test. Just a moment. And now I think that's all. We on the plus. I think so. Maybe I mistake this first pin. We put very low. It's a very high pin. Very. And 2, it's difficult to say what you need to do with him. Nice, and that's all. Just a moment. Very hard move, not good, but not critical. No. Really not comfortable I am because this device, but it's okay. Now I pick it. I not have place. Really, for hands, it's very big problem always. But now I need place, and I don't have him. First, how interactive. First, second, third. No. I don't know. Okay, it's in Fogates we now here, and now it's ask good, and here maybe yes, nice. To balance very hard to put right on high pins. Very difficult. Not very difficult, but not easy. After this, it's open. Not 100%, but very many. No. Now it's want to game with me, and then I don't want to game. Nice click, nice click. Now no. Maybe it was open and I give very many tension. Maybe. Now I test it, and I believe we open it. Yes, we open it. How many times? 10 minutes. All? Not all. Just I open it. So now interactive pin move. Move. I want we see it. Move right. Now interactive pin, it's here. It's interactive. Now it's between sectors. Now it's very I don't know how to say it in English language. It's point. If it's move right or left, it's blocked, because for pick this lock you need it's move now and it's blocked. You pick once again. Now it was many time because start hard. Not every time, but many 15, not 15, 50 half. So now it's patent for open it quickly. We put point on silicone device. Silicone device. Size excellent of this lock, excellent, and it's for not to do mistake. And now we try to do it. Where is our light? Just a moment. Here, interactive pin here. We know it. Nice. No. Nice. Nice. And nice. Now, I believe it's work and everything what it's need to do, it's do. So it's need to move right side, left side, not important. It's unlocked, full unlocked, and this side too, it's unlock, full unlock. Now up, now I need to put our point on the place. Where is it? It's on the place, little, and we try to put it on the place. Nice. Now it's work and everything is good. With another key we can to move him all elements on the place. Now it's first part of this lock. Second part, I want to pick and show problem lock leaf tumbler. It's THERARD 1-1. So was nice to pick it. Have a good time, everyone. Bye bye.